Hi, welcome back to my channel, Sassy Seema. Today, we will be learning about the 6th house in Vedic astrology. It is also known as the 6th bhava. This house represents enemies, debt, struggles, illness, theft, taste, fights, etc. The 6th house is the house of the things that wear you down, test your strength, and force you to fight just to stay afloat. Got a toxic business competitor, a coworker, or a boss trying to sabotage you? That's due to the position of planets in the 6th house. A weak 6th house can make you easy prey. You trust the wrong people. You take on burdens you can't handle. And before you realize it, you're drowning. But a strong 6th house, it turns you into a survivor. It makes you unbreakable. Someone who can crush enemies and overcome sickness like a phoenix rising from the ashes. So, what does your 6th house say about you? Are you the hunter, or are you the hunted? Let's find out. We will first analyze the effect of Mercury in the 6th house in various zodiac signs. Mercury is the planet of business, entrepreneurship, intelligence, communication, and strategy. Mercury in the 6th house can have different effects based on who the lord of the 6th house is, which planets are aspecting it, which zodiac sign is placed in the 6th house, and many other factors. If Mercury is debilitated or malefic in the 6th house, it may bring downfalls in business, lack of communication with a partner or people, taking wrong decisions, make a person lazy, and prone to frequent quarrels resulting in legal action. Meanwhile, a strong Mercury here helps a person overcome enemies in the office or business and overcome struggles in life. In the coming series, I will make small videos on various combinations of Mercury in the 6th house. So, do not miss out. Subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and stay tuned. Because learning this will help you answer questions from people suffering from debt, enmity, business struggles, or other legal issues.